Let's go through the buttons on the Vacupack Deluxe and show you exactly what they all do. When the machine's in its at-rest position, you have a little red LED light here which blinks on and off continually until you decide to turn the machine on or it's unplugged. So when you want to turn the machine on, press and hold that down. All of the lights will light up and it will come back to rest at position number 3. It seems to be standard. And a number 3 cycle when the machine is cold will generally seal through most anything that gets in your way. The heat seal, or let's go back here to the pump button. The pump button will run until the machine creates a vacuum, and then it will shut itself off without running through the heat cycle. So this comes in handy when you're doing things like canisters, jars, or things you just want to vacuum pack without a heat cycle. The seal button turns the heat seal bar on when you want it to be turned on. The seal time allows you to adjust the seal time up or down, but every time you press it, it will advance one. And generally, you'll find that number 3 is about kind of where you want this thing to sit. The automatic button will allow the machine to create a vacuum, run the heat seal on its own accord, and when you're doing the manual cycle, you can push the heat seal separately when you want to, and this puts a little bit more control in your hands of when the machine will run the heat cycle and how much vacuum you take out of the bag. Now these machines really are designed to vacuum pack good and solid, so you'll find that they aren't as controllable as you might like, but you can still control how much air comes out and give you a partial vacuum with the Vacupack Deluxe. And of course its main focus was to get you a full vacuum on things like meats and cheeses and jars.